Zavorka is one of the certified orientation and mobility instructors working in the Rehabilitation Department of the San Antonio Lighthouse for the Blind and Visually Impaired. She'll be showing you the basics of the sweeping technique, as well as how to use the long white cane to safely ascend and descend stairs.
For the cane movement, you want to sweep it left and right about an inch or two outside of each shoulder. This is so you can clear, or it's actually not necessarily outside of each shoulder, it's out of the widest part of your body. That might be your hips, it might be your shoulders. So you want to extend it straight out in front of you at midline and just sweep it left and right. This way, as you're walking, you get to detect things in your path, like this telephone. You're walking up, you're doing your stairs. Oh, I hit a stair. So you'll anchor your cane against the stair and bring your toes up. You'll then sweep the stair across the cane across the first stair, so you can make sure that there's like no animal there, no pesky kid left their skateboard, because that could be tragic, right? And so then by doing that, you can also find a hand railing if you needed a hand railing. After that, you're gonna hold the cane out in front of you, and as you walk up one step, the cane goes up one step, and you'll hit the edge of each stair as you're going up. So just like so. You're approaching the stairs, you'll feel the cane drop off the edge. When that happens, you're going to anchor your cane and bring your toes to the edge of the first step, like so. And you're going to sweep the first stair, just like this, just right in front of you. You're going to extend the cane out in front of you, kind of like you're holding it in your standard position. And depending on how long your arm is, it might be one step ahead of you, it might be two steps ahead of you. You just got to remember, because when you reach the base, when your cane reaches the base, you haven't yet. So it's good to remember how many steps it is in front of you so you don't trip and fall on your face. So in this case, mine is almost 2. So as you're going down, you're going to tap each step as you're going down, just like this. So the cane reached the bottom, so I have the last 2 steps to go. 1, 2.
Dana is going to walk to the end. She has her eyes closed so you can get an idea. When you reach the end of the sidewalk, you'll either feel a change in texture to indicate you've reached the road, or you'll feel a drop-off from the curb. Now she is going to show you how to find an intersecting sidewalk. This is a technique called shorelining. In this case, there is a grass line, and every time you sweep towards that grass line, you'll hit it. You will continue to use the sweeping technique to sweep left and right, but this way, you'll know you've reached the intersection when you no longer feel the grass, as you now will be feeling the sidewalk of the road you're intersecting. We hope you enjoyed the video. For more information, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel at SA Lighthouse for the Blind and join our Facebook group, SA Adults and Senior Programs. Our phone number is 210-531-1547, or log on to salighthouse.org.